Welcome to Tricky's Kitchen, where delicious food is made easy. Today Tricky is preparing chicken mince buns, right from scratch, meaning that she is preparing both the mince filling as well as the bun. The filling is made with minced chicken that is sauteed with onions, ginger, garlic, chilies, and a whole array of aromatic powdered spices. It makes a great snack to take along on picnics, road trips, or on long hikes. So let's get straight to the ingredients. The ingredients for the dough and the ingredients for the filling. Preparation. Cut the chicken into bite-sized pieces and mince it using a mincing machine. Alternatively, you can buy ready-made chicken mince or boil the chicken pieces and shred it. To prepare the egg wash, whisk together 1 egg and 1 tablespoon of water. Set aside for later. Method. There are 3 stages. We are on stage 1, that is preparing the dough. So add in the milk, make sure it's at room temperature, the oil, yeast, sugar and the egg to the mixing bowl of a stand mixer. Now gradually add in the flour and the salt. Mix until it forms a soft dough. Note, only add as much flour as necessary. Now knead with the dough hook of the stand mixer for about 4 to 5 minutes. Alternatively, you can knead by hand for about 8 to 10 minutes. When the kneading is done, grease the dough with oil. Then cover and set aside in a warm place until it almost triples in size. It will take approximately 1 hour. We're moving on to the second stage, that is preparing the filling. So heat oil in a wok, add in the garlic and ginger and give it a toss. Then add in the green chillies, add in the onions, and lastly add in the salt. Fry until the onions turn light brown. When the onions have turned light brown, add in the minced chicken and fry until the minced chicken changes color. Now add in the powdered ingredients, that's the pinch of turmeric powder, coriander seed powder, cumin seed powder, garam masala, chaat masala, pepper powder, chili flakes and chili powder. Note, if you want to tone down the spiciness of the filling, feel free to reduce the amount of pepper powder, chili flakes and chili powder used. Give it a good mix. Continue to fry until the chicken is cooked and all the water evaporates. Finally, turn up the heat, add in the green coriander and lemon juice. This is a good time to taste, so taste and add salt, pepper powder and lemon juice if required to adjust the taste of the filling to your liking. Mix well and set aside to use as filling later. We're now on to the third stage, preparing the stuffed mince buns. So when the dough has tripled in size, tip it out onto a floured surface. Roughly divide it into 10 portions. Weigh each of the 10 portions individually to make sure that all 10 portions are of equal weight. Fold each portion inwards a couple of times and gently roll into a smooth ball. When you've done it for all the 10 portions, cover and let it rest for about 5 to 10 minutes. After the dough has rested for 5 to 10 minutes, take a portion one at a time and roll it out gently and shape into a large circle. Make vertical cuts on one half. Fold the other half over and press down on the edges to seal. Now spoon 2 to 3 portions of the filling onto the middle. Fold the two flaps inwards and press down on the edges to seal the filling in. Do this for all the 10 portions and place them on a baking tray lined with greaseproof or parchment paper. Then set aside in a warm place for 45 minutes. While the buns are resting for the 45 minutes and when you're ready to bake, preheat the oven to the temperature shown. After the buns have rested for 45 minutes, brush the tops with egg wash. Remember, we prepared the egg wash in the preparation stage. Now sprinkle the tops with sesame seeds and bake in the preheated oven for about 20 to 25 minutes or until golden brown. Optionally, halfway through the baking process, you could rotate the baking tray by 180 degrees for even baking. Then remove the baking tray from the oven when done and brush the tops with butter. Then set aside on a wire rack to allow the buns to cool down slightly before serving. And there you have delicious chicken mince buns that can be taken along on picnics, road trips, or on long hikes. So thank you for stopping by. Hope you will give this recipe a try. Have lots of fun in the process as you toy. And most of all, don't forget to enjoy. Ricky's Kitchen has lots of other chicken recipes that you would like to try out. So be sure to click on the video link on your screen right now and watch another video.